Hello everyone, I have got just two sample questions from molecular basis of inheritance. Every year you expect one question from genetic code, mutation, etc. Deamination of 5-methyl cytosine forms. There is chance of spontaneous deamination. The amino group of this cytosine would be removed sometimes during mutations. It is spontaneous mutation. In fact, wherever there is 5-methyl cytosine in DNA, that spot is considered as hot spot for mutations, because that 5-methyl cytosine would undergo deamination to form. Can you recognize this structure? This is thymine. What are we talking about? Cytosine is replaced by thymine. Can we accept this? It leads to point mutation, correct? So the answer is thymine. You cannot guess the fourth option. You should know the structure of cytosine. After deamination, it will retain methyl group because it is methylated. This is also methylated. But after deamination, the cytosine becomes thymine. If it is RNA, then it becomes uracil. In that case, I have to take simply cytosine. I should not take methylated cytosine. Thymine is methylated uracil. On that basis, I am talking. I take simply cytosine. Here I have taken methylated cytosine. Therefore, I have shown after deamination thymine. If I take only cytosine, after deamination it becomes uracil. So this is one of the hot spots of mutation in any genetic material, particularly DNA. But there are certain repairing enzymes. So we don't end up with always point mutations. We will be safe. There are enzymes to repair such errors during DNA replication or in any such direct spontaneous substitution or mutations. So the answer is this: deamination of 5-methyl cytosine forms thymine. It can't be anything else. You can actually eliminate these two options: adenine, guanine, or purines. Purines have double ring structures. Pyrimidines have single ring structures. Yes. Now this is another question. Normally students take time to conclude this. You are in stress. You are supposed to answer 180 questions. Then you have not thought of questions of this type. It's difficult to conclude the answers on spot. Look at this question. The coding segment of DNA has A, T, A, G, G, C, C, T, A. After mutation, the segment of coding strand becomes ATC. Here ATA. GGC, GGC, CTA, CTA. There is no change from here till here. Only the part of the coding strand segment is shown here, not the entire coding segment. So one thing you should know: which is coding segment, which is non-coding segment. Coding strand cannot be a template. Non-coding strand is template. On that basis I am saying during transcription. Yes. So when the mRNA is synthesized, so what change will be there? First you think from that side. See, if the mRNA is synthesized from this DNA, the RNA will have A, U, A, correct? A, U, A. We shall focus only this part because we are trying to focus mutation. We are not interested in looking at all other triplets, because if you just check genetic code dictionary, you will come to know. So which codon codes for which amino acid? We'll focus only this. AUA codes for isoleucine. Now this AUA is changed here. Strand becomes A. Instead of T, I have to take U. C. Because this is coding strand. See, if this is coding strand, what will be the non-coding strand? Template strand. Template strand will be like this. Template strand of DNA. 5' to 3'. TAT, right? And then mRNA will be A, U, A. That's what I have shown here directly. So A, U, A. Only this T is replaced by U. That's all. Otherwise, this mRNA is similar to coding strand. Similar here. This one. A, U, C. AUC codes for. AUC also codes for isoleucine. This is based on the fact that triplet codons degenerate. Over. Now you will not be confused. Is it point mutation? No. There is no point mutation here. When do we say that there is mutation? One base pair is replaced by another base pair, which ends in substitution of amino acid. One amino acid is substituted by another amino acid. It did not happen here. Then how do you say mutation? This cannot be point mutation. Premature termination of protein synthesis. Did this become the stop codon? No. There are such chances actually. One of the middle triplets becomes a stop codon. That becomes premature termination of protein synthesis. Not happen. Frame shift. What is frame shift? Insertion of one or two or deletion of one or two in the reading frame affects the amino acid sequence from that point of insertion or deletion. Actually, it's this A is replaced by, see, this is replaced by C. It can't be frame shift. In frame shift, 1 or 2, not 3, 1 or 2 would be either deleted or inserted. In that case, from that point, there is complete change in the amino acid sequence. Hope you understand. Can't be frame shift. The answer is this. There is no change in the polypeptide due to degeneracy. Yes. If you have got any questions about this, please you can type it in comment box. Thank you for watching.